welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day and I will be doing another wash and go, but this time I'll be using a product I've never used and it's called Plentiful. So Plentiful is an organization that is dedicated to ending the exploitation of women. So when you purchase Plentiful products, part of your proceeds go towards ending the exploitation of women. So I think that's really good. I actually never heard of these products before, but I'm a little excited to use them. You know, you never know what gems you'll find out there. So yeah, I'll be using the co-wash, I'll be using the deep conditioning treatment, and then I'll be styling my hair with they have a curl definer styler for curly and coily hair, and then they have a Featherweight Hold styler for straight and wavy hair. So I think I'm going to use both of them just to see. I don't know, you never know. Even though this one's for like straight and wavy hair, it could be like a leave-in conditioner, and then I could use this one as like, you know, my styler, my curl definer. So I'm going to use these products today and we will see how this goes. Right now my hair, I've been pre-pooing with some oil on my scalp and a little conditioner on my ends. So I'm just going to jump in the shower, wet my hair, rinse it, and I will be co-washing. Alright, so I have the co-wash in my hair right now, and you're supposed to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. So I just want to discuss this product a little more with you guys. So this is the Plentiful Amino Strength Sulfate Free Co-wash. It's for all hair textures and it's ideal for stress caused by protective styling. It's uniquely formulated with aloe vera complex, a proprietary blend of avocado and aloe vera oils that work in unison to improve the overall health of hair and scalp and add shine, softness, moisture, and manageability. So after this 3 to 5 minutes, I will rinse this out and then I am going to put in my deep conditioning treatment. So I have rinsed out my co-wash. Now I'm going to put in my deep conditioning treatment. So this is the Amino Strength Deep Conditioning Treatment, enriched with aloe vera complex, promotes hair and scalp wellness, soothes itchy and dry scalp, detangles and conditions, helps restore hair to proper pH balance, fights frizz, helps repair damage and prevents breakage, relieves stress caused by wigs, weaves, and extensions. So this treatment was designed for a lot of different problems that you could be having, because that list was pretty long. But I like the smell of all of these products. They have like a really, you know, I don't like stuff that's too highly fragranced, but this has a really nice, subtle, clean smell to it. So I'm going to apply this deep conditioning treatment to my hair. So I'm going to apply it in sections of 4. My hair with no product in it before conditioning. This is just with the co-wash. Oh wow, it's like really thick and I really feel the aloe vera in it. Like the consistency, like I've never, like look at the consistency of this deep conditioner. It's not really like it's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It almost feels like a silicone. Or like a rubbery, I don't know how to describe it, but it's really cool. I've never felt a deep conditioner that feels like this. really like this deep conditioner. It almost feels like a curl defining cream, like a super thick and creamy curl defining cream. And I could leave it in too, like you don't even like see any leftover like white residue how you usually see in conditioners. So I really like it. I feel like you could just leave this on and go. Really like this deep conditioning treatment. Oh my gosh, I can feel like the change in the softness of my hair, the sleekness of my curls. Alright, so I'm done applying this deep conditioning treatment, and I'm going to leave it on for 15 to 25 minutes so that it can penetrate my strands. Then I will rinse it out and continue on with styling my hair. I've rinsed out my deep conditioning treatment, and now I'm going to be using the stylers. So they have one that's Featherweight Hold, and they have another one that's the curl definer. So the Featherweight Hold is for straight to wavy hair, like I said before, and then the curl definer is for curly to coily hair. So I'm going to use both. So for the Featherweight Hold, here's what it does. So the Featherweight Hold styler is for straight to wavy hair. It helps strengthens hair, fights frizz, prevents breakage, tackles split ends, adds non-sticky light hold, targets heat styling damage. And then the curl defining styler, which is for curly and coily hair, activates and defines curls, fights frizz, reduces curl shrinkage, tackles split ends, helps repair damage, promotes hair and scalp wellness, helps prevent breakage. So they do about the same thing, but there are some different properties that they both have. So I'm just going to use both anyways, just to test out both products. And we will see how it defines and hydrates my hair. I'm going to use the Featherweight Hold first, then I'll put the curl definer on top. So what I've been doing is just a light finger coil while I'm putting the products on. So not like going super in depth because it'll take way too long to finger coil all my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing. So I take a section and then I apply my products. So first the Featherweight Hold styler. Then I'll take the curl defining styler and I will apply it. Finger detangle. Rake it through really good. And then I'll just take some pieces and just do a little twist and keep going. So just a light finger coil, mostly towards the end, not anything too in-depth or too serious. So this will just give me those really nice bouncy coils and curls. so I finished applying all my products and now I'm just gonna let my hair dry and I will come back and show you guys. Hopefully this product will maintain my curls and my definition. I'm gonna put it to the test, so we will see. Alright guys, so here are my dry results and I absolutely love it, of course. My hair is super flowy and bouncy and my mini coils came out really nice. So I'm super happy and super pleased with these products. They actually shocked me, especially the deep conditioner, the deep conditioning treatment. I love it. I love the texture, I love the smell, I love the way it makes my hair feel. I love that I can instantly feel my hair transforming and conditioning. So I think the Plentiful Featherweight Hold Styler and the Curl Defining Styler both did a really good job with moisturizing and hydrating my curls, and I just am obsessed with the finished results. So guys, definitely go check out these products. I know I do a lot of reviews on a lot of different products, but I just like to try stuff out, you know, because you never know what works out there. So definitely check out these products. And thanks for watching, guys.